Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this hotel, two type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.8. Check-in time in this hotel is 11 a.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 11 a.m. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For getting details about this hotel, please check description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new video with a new hotel.